Hi guys, my name is Michael. I'm with Alfatron Electronics and we are here at our booth at InfoComm 2026. I'd like to share with you some new Dante wallplates that we will be releasing soon. Starting off on my far left, we have the WP21D BT. So that is a 2-channel input, 1-channel output Bluetooth to Dante converter. It also features a mini jack input that will act as a failover should your Bluetooth be disconnected. You can also then run analog audio into the unit. The second wallplate in the Dante wallplate line is the WP43D-BT. That unit features a 4-input to 3-output Dante conversion, where you will have input 1 and 2 shared between your mini jack and your RCAs, and you can set priority of either one of the two to be a priority 1 or priority 2. In addition, you will have 2 additional channels for the Bluetooth stereo from your Bluetooth device, and then your output, you'll also have a single mono-channel output back to your Bluetooth device from the Dante system, as well as having a duplicated mini jack or RCA output on the Bluetooth side on the Dante output side. And then lastly, our third device in the line is the WP22D-X. That is a 2-input, 2-output XLR wallplate, also converting to Dante. This unit features both a mic and line combo jack for inputs, which has phantom power and mic gain control in its web GUI that you can select from, and then just 2 analog line outputs on the unit as well. Great. Well, thank you for joining us. For more information, visit us at our website at www.alfatronelectronics.com.